Introduction to Automated Data Processing.
Automating data processing can save valuable time and reduce manual effort. By scheduling Python scripts to run at set intervals, you can regularly fetch, clean, or analyze data without human intervention. Tools like Cron on Unix-based systems make it easy to run code in the background automatically, so your tasks stay on track around the clock.
What is Cron?
This is a time-based job scheduler commonly used on Linux and macOS. It allows you to schedule scripts or commands to run at specific times, such as daily, weekly, or every hour. Cron uses a simple configuration file, known as a Crontab, where you define when and what should be executed, making it ideal for routine automation.
Preparing your Python script.
Write your Python script to perform the desired data processing, such as cleaning files or downloading information. Make sure your script works as expected and handles possible errors. Save your script in a directory you can easily find, and take note of the Python interpreter path to use when setting up your scheduled job.
Scheduling with Crontab.
To schedule your job with Cron, open the Crontab editor by typing Crontab E in your terminal. Add a new line in the file to specify when and how often you want your Python script to run. For example, to run your script every day at 2 a.m., use 022 user bin python3 path to your script.py.
Tips and best practices.
Test your scheduled job by setting it for a short interval first. Log the output and any errors for troubleshooting. Consider using virtual environments to manage dependencies. And always use absolute paths in your Crontab. Proper scheduling keeps your data workflows reliable and efficient.
Wrap up.
Automating Python data tasks with Cron is a powerful way to save time and prevent errors. By following these steps, you can ensure regular, hassle-free data processing. Explore more scheduling options and take your data automation to the next level.